Wayfarer today. This first box is a picture of what we're going to see on the Pokestop or on the Ingress portal. I'm going to click it. It's some kind of brick platform. It's not very obvious to me. There's a pond in the background, and there's like a blue spruce, I think, in the background. I think that's what that is. That's going to try to help me locate it. The description says Sugar Creek Pond structure, hangout and seating area with good view. I don't really know what a pond structure is. And to be honest with you, based on that title, I'm not convinced that the submitter knows what this is either. But I'm going to look at the supporting information. So if I click this picture, the purpose of this picture is to help me locate this item. Well, now I can see it a little better from a different side. So there is like some kind of ledge, which is really just essentially a kind of a retaining wall to hold back the landscaping there. Theoretically, you could sit on it, but that's not what it's for. There is some dirt in front of it. Perhaps it's a new feature. And the way they describe it, so this information that they give you in supporting is supposed to be why they think this is a good submission and should be added to the map as a point of interest. They say pond overlook for public use. Okay, so let's go down and see if we can figure out where this thing is. Maybe that'll help us figure out what it's supposed to do. So when I go down into this, zoom down in here, on satellite, I don't see anything. Now, I do see that blue spruce tree, and I see the pond. I actually don't think it's in this cell. I think it's going to be closer to over here, but I can't see it. I'm going to go ahead and drop the little man because there is a road here. And if I look at the little man and look at, so there's that blue spruce again. There's nothing here. So fresh dirt means this could be newly constructed. If I look at this, it shows that there is pretty clearly a road in the background with a car and a couple of trees. If I were to look at where they're trying to locate it, I don't feel like I have that view. If it were actually located right there, I guess it could have that road in the background. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So in this one, there's a tree and a pole. I've got the tree. I don't know that I have the pole, though. Okay, it could be there. I don't know. I can't prove it. And they just tell me it's a pond structure. They don't really tell me what it is. So I'm not convinced that this is going to be a good POI. They say it's for seating. There is no place to sit. There's no chairs. I'm going to deny this because I don't think it meets the qualifications for being a good place to exercise, explore, or be social based on this submission. This one they could probably do better, maybe. And then I'm going to write here and say does not meet criteria to exercise, explore, or be social. Also had trouble locating this in